Very good morning, students. I am L.K. Tripathi. Dear children, we shall start the new chapter of geography, that is chapter 7. Our country, India. Let's introduce to this chapter. India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. It covers 3.28 million square kilometers with a population of more than 1 billion. India's population is more than 1 billion, and in terms of area, it alone covers 3.28 million square kilometers. It is known for its enormous natural diversity, wonderful landscape, and glorious monuments. It occupies a large part of South Asia. In this chapter, we will travel from one part of the country to the other and gain an insight about its distinctive features. Location of India. India is bounded by the Arabian Sea on the southwest and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast. On a physical map of India, it is clearly visible that these are extensions of the Indian Ocean, which lies to the south of India. 1/3 of India's border is coastline. This also includes India's islands. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The mainland of India extends from Kanyakumari in the south at about 8 degrees 4 minutes north to Kashmir in the north at about 37 degrees 6 minutes north. It extends from the Rann of Kutch in the west at about 68 degrees 7 minutes east to Arunachal Pradesh in the east at about 97 degrees 25 minutes east, about 2,900 kilometers. Neighbors of India. Which are the neighbors of India? Means neighboring countries of India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar are the countries bordering India. The island country of Sri Lanka, off the southeast coast of India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, India and Bangladesh together form a huge landmass, commonly referred to as the Indian subcontinent. It is cut off from the rest of Asia by the lofty Himalayas in the north and adjacent mountain ranges that run along the west and the east. The Himalayas also act as a barrier and protect the country from the icy cold winds of Central Asia. The two seas surrounding the Indian landmass help to keep temperatures warm. Political divisions. There are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. The political map of India shows the boundaries of India's states and union territories and the area each unit covers. It also shows the state capitals and other major cities. Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. The states are further divided into districts.